Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use LazyFit app. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly use or start using LazyFit app here. Well, in order for you to start using it, you first need to go ahead and just basically download the app. So let's go open up Google Play Store here and search for LazyFit and just install it on your device. Now from here, just click on continue. And from here, we want to go and just basically log in into our account. Now, in this case, it's going to first ask you a few questions on what motivates you most. So let's go choose Get Shape. And in this case, you could choose your main goal here. Go and choose your appropriate one. So from here, you want to specify which area you want to focus. So let's go and choose one here. Click on Next. And from here, it's going to give you some information. So in this case, you could just proceed on the next pages by clicking on Next here. Now from here, it's going to ask different questions about yourself, so go ahead and just answer those questions. Now once you've answered all those questions, this is what you'll be seeing here. So let's just wait this to load up, but typically this just takes a few seconds. So in this case, what you need to do is you just need to get your plan here. So let's go and click on Get My Plan. And from here, it should load up our free trial here. So the great thing about this app here is you could use this for 7 days for free without worrying about this. But afterwards, the price for it is around like $3 to $4. So just be prepared for that if you still want to use this. So this is a monthly base subscription. Let's go ahead and click on the try for free option here. From here, it's going to ask you for the payment method, so you could go and just allow that if you want to. Let's go ahead and click on the subscribe button here, verify. And once you've done that, you should be able to start using the actual app. Now, in here, if you want to allow notification, you could go and click on Go Settings. From here, it's going to say you're ready. So let's just wait for this to load up, or click on the X at the top right here. Click on Got It. Now, from here, we have 4 tabs. We have the My Plan here, which in this case gives you your daily activities or your exercises here, and how much calories you'll be burning and how many minutes you need to spend for this one. We also have our workouts here if you want to do a very specific one, like for example, 28-day all standing cardio and a lot more. So if you want to get those different exercises. Now, meals here are going to be meal plans that you could get, but obviously you need to get this personalized. So you can go and click on Get Personalized Meal Plan here if you want. Now, in the Explore page here, this is where you'll be able to see your current progress, like the calories you burned on different days, your badges, your weight, the changes on your weight here. By the way, you can log your weight here by clicking log weight and just specify your weight here so that you can keep track of it. Now, if you click on the settings icon at the top right here, you have additional settings like your premium service, your membership management, your help here, suggestions if you're on a clear cache, or even delete your account if you want. You have your privacy policies, terms of use if you want to read those. And also in the My Plan section, you have the top right here, which in this case allows you to change your plan settings to either workout type, to physical limitations, a fitness level here. You can change those. And you also have the workout history here if you want to learn about it. And also the heart here, which in this case your favorites or any content that you've liked. Let's go and click on Get Started here, which in this case you should now be able to start working out by clicking on the Start Workout or the play button at the bottom right. Also, you could go, if you click on the music button at the top right here, you can enable background music or enable the audio for this specific workout. And if you want to like this one, just click on the heart button at the top right. And yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.